Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Panasonic Lumix S5 II Kit DCS5M2KK9, a hybrid mirrorless camera that's perfect for creators who need excellent photography and pro-level video performance right out of the box. Camera with Flash Overview. This kit combines a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor with Panasonic's upgraded Phase Hybrid AF, giving you fast, accurate focus whether you're shooting stills or video. Framed picture photo performance. Rich 24.2 MP full-frame quality. Excellent color science and dynamic range. Fast autofocus tracking, ideal for portraits, action, and street photography. Works great in varying light conditions. Movie camera video capabilities. Unlimited 4:2:2 10-bit internal recording, a game changer for creators. Rich color detail and strong gradation, perfect for professional workflows. Smooth video capture ready for color grading. Pushpin included lens. This kit includes a 2060mm f3.55.6L mount lens, a versatile zoom for everyday shooting, wide angle for landscapes. Short telephoto for portraits. Lightweight and travel-friendly. Gear stabilization and handling. Active IS. Image stabilization, helps smooth handheld footage. Great for run-and-gun shooting without gimbals. Comfortable grip and easy to navigate menus. Magnifying glass tilted left autofocus system. Phase Hybrid AF keeps subjects sharp. Excellent eye tracking. Smooth focus transitions for video. Globe with Meridian's creator-focused features. Dual native ISO improves low-light video. Vlog/V-gamut flexibility. Professional formats ready straight out of the camera. Direct hit who it's for. YouTubers. Hybrid shooters. Travel photographers. Wedding and event videographers. Content creators needing quality video plus photography. Bar chart conclusion. The Panasonic Lumix S5 II Kit gives you professional video capabilities, sharp stills, and a versatile lens, all in one package. Whether you're starting your creative journey or upgrading your gear, this camera is a serious contender. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.